Experiencing issues connecting your TV to your T-Mobile gateway? You're not alone. It's a common problem often related to Wi-Fi, DHCP, or IP settings. The T-Mobile gateway acts as both a modem and router, providing internet via cellular networks. A failure in the Wi-Fi link, IP address assignment, or DHCP management is often the culprit when your TV can't connect. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. The gateway broadcasts signals on 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. Signal should be at least minus 60 dBm for stable TV streaming. Next, ensure your TV receives a valid IP address. DHCP dynamically assigns IPs from a pool like 192.110-254. Lease time is typically 24 hours. Finally, understand IP settings. Each device needs a unique IP, subnet mask 255.255.0, and default gateway. Static IP can prevent conflicts. Now, let's get to the fixes. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength on your TV or using a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone. Aim for at least minus 60 dBm for stable streaming. Next, ensure your TV is obtaining an IP address automatically via DHCP. If not, restart your gateway and TV. If problems persist, access your gateway's admin panel, usually at 192.168.12.1, and check the DHCP client list. Resolve any IP address conflicts by setting a static IP for your TV within the gateway's settings, outside the DHCP range, such as 192.168.1.100. Consider Ethernet over powerline adapters for a wired connection if Wi-Fi is consistently problematic. Contact T-Mobile support for hardware issues. These are the most common user-fixable problems based on T-Mobile's internal data from 2025.